Flooring has come such a long way over the last few years. I never thought I would be putting vinyl products in our homes. I used to turn my nose up at it, actually. But nothing could be further from the truth. In all of our rehabs lately, we've been using a luxury vinyl plank. Over the years, we've partnered with Tarkett and have fallen in love with this new line. And you guys, flooring makes a difference in a before and after. I want to share with you some of our latest projects so you can see just the wow factor of the transformations that flooring makes.